Mathew Meets, a vlog with insight.
എപ്പോഴും ഫോണിൻ്റെ ഇവിടെ ഇതിന് മേലോട്ട് ഈ കൈ വരരുത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ അതായത് ഓൺ ദ ടേബിൾ ആക്ച്വലി ലൈക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ താഴോട്ട് വലിക്കുന്നു, അതേ സ്പീഡിൽ മേലോട്ട്.
Hey Google, how are you?
I guess you could say I feel wired all the time. Let me know how I can help.
I'm really happy and I feel more empowered now that I have gained a little access to technology. I can do many things on my own with the help of Google Assistant.
Wow. So rightly that is giving a sense of independence.
Yeah, it has made me feel more independent. Yeah, I really can. I really am able to expand my intellectual horizon and help others to do the same. Yeah, my advice is to realize that there is no fixed time in life for learning anything. You can learn anything at any age. I'm confident that I can pick up anything at any time, at any age.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Right.
that is my feeling.
Yeah.
And so technology is making it possible for visually challenged people to gain what I call normal sight. And knowledge of English, of course, helps you to go wherever you like with your digital skills, because knowledge of English is a window on the world. Yeah. Technology, because where technology is concerned, your proficiency in English helps you a lot. Print visually challenged people can listen to a lot of books being read. They can listen to BBC or whatever radio station they want to listen to. So wherever you turn today in the 21st century, you need technological skills to rise in life or career.
So what we should basically understand is like that assistive technology is the requirement of the minute.
Yeah, requirement of the not only the academia, but wherever you go, in every area of life, you need a technology.
Mathew Abraham, as a catalyst with Chakshumathi, spent considerable hours of time during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period, visiting or tutoring online many visually impaired children, their parents and elders, and taught them technology to break their barriers as part of Chakshumathi's Early Birds and Mummy Birds project.